Do you want to remove a comment from your Instagram story? You can delete your or someone else's comments from Instagram stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove comment on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To remove a comment on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you'll see your profile picture at the top of your Instagram profile. Tap on your profile picture to view your current Instagram story that you added in the last 24 hours. Now, navigate to the story from which you want to delete your or someone else's comment. Once you're on that story, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now, you will see all the comments on that specific story. Scroll down and find the reply that you want to delete. Once you've found it, tap on the three dots menu on the right side of the comment. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Delete Comment to remove the comment from your story. Once you choose the option to delete, the comment will be automatically removed from your story.